Selamat datang di Keuskupan Agung Palembang.
Days in Dioceses, or DID of Asian Youth Day or AYD in Archdiocese of Palembang was started on Sunday, 30th July 2017. On 7 a.m., local committees are ready at Sultan Mahmud Badarudin II International Airport of Palembang and Kertapati Railway Station of Palembang to pick up the participants of Asian Youth Day. They came from India, Malaysia, and 6 dioceses in Sumatra, Indonesia. The 6 dioceses are Archdiocese of Medan, Diocese of Sibolga, Archdiocese of Palembang, Diocese of Tanjungkarang, Diocese of Pangkalping, and Diocese of Padang.
I was excited to come to Indonesia. I'm in charge of the Western Youth Region. Western Youth Region comprises 20 dioceses. Okay, that's 3 states. That's Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. So I'm in charge of the youth of that 3 states. I was excited to come here, really excited. When I was in Rome, they told me Indonesia is a beautiful place, and there was a longing in my heart to visit once Indonesia. Though it was very tiring, now we felt very relaxed with the beautiful items you put here, the way you welcome us. Okay? And so I want to enjoy this Asian Youth Day, and I want to also bless all the youth of Indonesia. They're all feeling very good. How do you all feel? Good. Yeah, they feel very good. They feel very touched. They feel very blessed. So we are happy to be here. We are looking forward to the other days to come.
Keuskupan Pangkalping siap mengikuti DID. Yes.
As much as 251 participants were delivered to the main venue for DID-AYD at St. Peter Parish of Palembang. After arriving at St. Peter Parish, all the participants were greeted by dances and songs. There were also traditional food such as pempek and sate. At 5:30 p.m., all the participants were united in the opening mass. The opening mass was started with procession of Indonesian flag, Malaysian flag, Indian flag, Vatican flag, and AYD flag. Indonesia Raya song and AYD prayer were preceded the mass. Around 41 priests, 2 bishops, and 600 people were celebrating with Most Reverend Aloysius Sudarso SCJ as main celebrant. The opening mass was enlivened by Colors Choir as the Youth Catholic Choir of Archdiocese of Palembang. In his homily, Most Reverend Antonio Alwin Fernandez Barreto from India invited all youth Catholics to know Jesus and come closer to him. Youth Catholics should talk about everything in their lives to Jesus. Most Reverend Antonio also affirmed that Jesus is our life. After the Eucharist, the event continued with dinner and opening ceremony. The participants sit under the tent that prepared by the committees according to their contingents. Tanggai dance was greet the participants. They gathered at the churchyard to know each other, to know the participants from other contingents.